We are pleased to announce that Scholatus Minoris Pro Musica Antiqua will be performing in Dallas, Texas as part of their February 2019 American tour. Scholatus Minoris Pro Musica Antiqua is an early music children's ensemble based in Poniatowa, Poland. The group performs music of the 13th through 18th centuries. Scholatus Minoris offers a unique and authentic experience of the liturgical music of the medieval times, blending it masterfully with the chansons and motets of the Renaissance period with the ornate and impassioned chords of the Baroque. Such a wide array of styles offers listeners a journey through the music scenes of the early ages Europe, an experience unique to an American audience. The group was founded and is still directed today by professional musicologists Danuta and Witold Danielewicz, and their repertoire includes works by Polish and foreign composers, and performances are complemented by colorful period costumes. The world-class artistry of Scholatus Minoris has been recognized by experts and music lovers across the globe. Scholatus Minoris has been consistently invited to perform at world-class venues such as the National Philharmonic of Warsaw, the Morgan Opera House in New York, and the Sydney Opera House, to name just a few. Come see this amazing performance February 7th through 15th in Dallas, Texas. Book your tickets today at www.polishschooldallas.org or call 440-715-3688.